India has just achieved a major milestone in space. It has successfully launched its largest commercial satellite ever. The satellite is called BlueBird, and it belongs to a United States company. This makes it the heaviest commercial payload ever launched from Indian soil. The mission was carried out by ISRO, using the powerful LVM-3 rocket, also known as Bahubali. LVM-3 is India's strongest rocket, built for heavy and critical missions. And here's the big moment. The same LVM-3 will soon carry Indian astronauts for the Gaganyaan human space mission. From launching global satellites to sending humans to space, India is entering the big league of space powers. Follow for more space and geopolitics explained simply.